Get ready to laugh until your sides hurt. Our hilarious comedians are here to bring you the best in comedy gold. From witty one-liners to side-splitting sketches, you'll be entertained from start to finish. Feel the joy of unbridled laughter as our talented comedians take the stage. Their unique humor and impeccable timing guarantee non-stop chuckles and guffaws, leaving you in stitches. Experience the magic of laughter with our comedy specials. Each performance is crafted to deliver maximum fun, ensuring that your laughter never stops. It's comedy gold, pure and simple. Our comedians know exactly how to tickle your funny bone. With their sharp wit and hilarious antics, you'll find yourself laughing out loud and loving every second of it. Laughter is the best medicine, and our comedy shows are here to give you a healthy dose. Say goodbye to stress and hello to endless amusement with our top-notch comedians. Join us for a comedy experience like no other. With non-stop laughter guaranteed, you'll feel the joy and happiness that only the best in comedy gold can bring. Don't miss out on the fun.